Alright, so today I'm unboxing my marketplace score. It's a Image Dynamics ID15d2 V3 dual 2 ohm. This is circa 2007. I told the shipper that if he gave the shipping extra love, I would send him more money. It was more than apparent that that did not happen. Fingers crossed this thing is in one piece. The magnet's not shifted or anything, nothing's damaged. It'd be a real shame to have this beautiful old speaker be damaged just to get here. Oh, it feels like he did more than I thought. This box only traveled about 200 miles with the USPS. And yeah, he actually put a good amount of effort into this. Love to see it. Okay. Get this out of the way. Oh. Alright. Here she is. Absolutely beautiful. Foam is good. It's not falling apart on me. Looks like there might be a small amount of coil sag I'll have to deal with. Possibly. Oh, no. Damaged in shipping. Here we go. I don't know if you can see that. That whole lip is rolled. That is absolutely fantastic. The whole frame is bent. Thank you, Postal Service, for throwing heavy boxes around. Fingers crossed that I can do something to repair that. It does not make me very happy, to say the least. See, there we go. Yeah, that is not supposed to be shaped like a horseshoe. I just want to show a quick look on the end here of the condition of this box. It is absolutely beat. I don't believe that the dude who shipped it used a new box, but this is absolutely ridiculous. This thing barely traveled across half a state. Not even. It's absolutely ridiculous.